Hello students, in this video we will discuss about EM waves, electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. This is the first chapter of optics. You know, in optics there is a two part. Number one, ray optics, number two, wave optics. And the first chapter cover electromagnetic waves. But students, before that we will discuss about Maxwell displacement current. Yes, Maxwell displacement current. Let's start. See, what is called Maxwell displacement current? Suppose, think this is a capacitor attached to a battery and a key. Now, if we think a closed contour like this, so this will cover this portion. So current IC, which is called conduction current, entering through this contour. But this was C1. But if we consider this hemisphere, means the contour C2, this hemisphere contour C2, see, here is no such current arises, isn't it? There is no current arises because capacitor, between the capacitor there contain free space or vacuum or dielectric slab, you know. So it means a bad conductor or insulator. Current doesn't enter to this portion. But you know, we get current in this portion, conduction current. So how is it possible? Current entering through this, there is nothing. But after this plate, we will get the current as it is. Is it possible? So from this contradiction we can write for contour C1, according to Ampere circuital law, we can write closed line integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 IC. Because students, in contour C1 there is a current IC, but in case of for C2 we can write closed line integral B dot dl is equal to 0 because there is no current entering in this portion. Here is no current. Okay, no current, there is no current. So if for contour C2 there is no current. Okay, so these two equation for the same case not possible. It contradicts the law, means the Ampere circuital law. Next, very famous Maxwell pointed out that whenever current passing through the first plate, when the current entering the first plate, means the charging of capacitor, during the charging what happens? Gradually positive charge increases. Am I right? Gradually positive charges increases. Accordingly negative charges increases in the C2, in the second plate, plate 2, this plate 1, this plate 2. Okay. So charges increases gradually with respect to time. You know, charges increases gradually with respect to time, means charges increases with respect to time. It means the lines, electric lines, these are called electric lines, and these lines increases with time. So students, we can resolve this contradiction with the help of a new thing. The name is displacement current. In short, we can write I suffix D, D for displacement current. So what is called displacement current? Displacement current ID. Displacement current ID means what? See, in the wire we can write conduction current, but in the vacuum where there we cannot see any type of current, we can say here the current name is displacement current. So you tell me, what is the origin of displacement current? What is the origin of displacement current? Origin of displacement current is that the changing electric field. What? The changing electric field. Say with me. The changing electric field. So changing electric field with respect to time, changing electric field with respect to time produces displacement current. Okay. So why ID? Because the changing electric field also produces the magnetic field, and you know where the magnetic field changing or varying magnetic field always produces current. So student, now you know there is displacement conduction current, and between the plate the current name is displacement current. What is called displacement current? The changing electric field produces current, and this current is called displacement current. Say with me, the changing electric field produces current, and this current is called displacement current. Displacement current. Okay. So we can write the modified form of Ampere's circular law. It's a very important question. Write the modified form of Ampere's circular law. So the modified form of circular law, Ampere's circular law, is mu 0 IC plus ID, the sum of all current. Here is IC and here is ID. So sum of all current IC plus ID is called displacement. IC plus ID. So this is the modified form of Ampere's circular. So in your copy you write the modified form of Ampere's circular is closed line integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 IC plus ID. Understood? Okay. So write the modified form of Ampere's modified form of circular law. Okay. Next, so now we want to find the modified displacement current, the value of displacement current. So see, the value of displacement current, ID, value of ID. How you can find the value of ID? Say, you tell me, what is the electric field due to the plate? A single plate produces electric field like this. E is equal to, from Gauss's theorem, E dot ds or E dot A, E dot ds or E dot A is equal to E dot A is equal to Q by epsilon naught, which is also called phi. Phi means flux. Phi equal to E dot A equal to Q by epsilon, am I right? This is called the Gauss's law, you know that. Now, see, so you can write electric field E equal to or phi equal to Q by epsilon naught. Multiplying by epsilon naught, you will get Q equal to epsilon naught phi. Now differentiating dq dt with respect to time. So d phi by dt. Okay. So dq dt you can write id. So it's very easy. D phi by dt. This is the value of id. Now if you put the electric field value, means phi equal to E dot A, then you can also write epsilon 0 d dt of, in place of phi you can write E dot A. Area is constant, so take it outside. So the new value of id is epsilon 0 A dE by dt. Okay. So this is the value of id. Please copy. Find the value of id means the displacement current this. Now you know what is called this one. Just pause the video and copy the question. But how to find the value of id? So student, first question number